Yo, what's up guys, we're back at it, and today I want to give you a nice riding review of the Piaggio Liberty 150S with ABS. Alright, I've got my Insta360 camera, I've got my Sony ECM LV1 Lavalier mic recording the audio right now, and I want to give you a rundown of all the great features of this amazing scooter. Alright, first off, 150 cc's. Alright, probably top speed around, so far I've reached around 65 miles per hour. We ain't gonna be doing that right now though, but I can show you some clips in a minute here for sure. So first things first, I want to review the acceleration on this thing. This thing accelerates like a raging bull. Alright, I'll tell you, you just crank on throttle and you are off to the races. Alright, you're gonna beat most cars off the line, probably most motorcycles off the line. This thing is a beast. Alright, beast from the Far East, from Italy. But yeah, this Piaggio is the same company that makes Vespa scooters, so a lot of the same parts. And what I find amazing is a lot of the parts on here are lighter. You know, as far as like the body panels, they're plastic compared to a lot of the ones on the Vespa are like metal. Yeah, the handling on this thing, if you could just see, there was a nice little chicane there, you know, a nice right and left. This thing handles beautifully. It's got a big 16-inch front tire and a nice moderately sized rear tire, which I believe is a 14, but I'll double check and I'll put an asterisk if I'm wrong there. But yeah, this front tire, the 16-inch front tire, you know, gives you great handling stability at low speeds, but especially at high speeds. If you're going faster, you never get that, what they call like the death wobble, you know, where the bike starts to shake uncontrollably. You know, this thing feels planted. It's excellent engineering. Miles per gallon, this thing's getting around, yeah, I'm being modest, probably around 90 miles per gallon. Also depending on how you're riding. In the city, you know, the handling is amazing. Alright, low speed handling. Say you're in a parking lot, you know, low speed maneuverability. It's super easy. You're able to flick it around in a very tight turning circle. And when we're rocking and rolling, going faster speeds, this thing handles beautifully on some of the twistier roads. As far as looks, this thing's gorgeous. Like I said, it shares a lot of these similar features of like a classic Vespa, classic Italian scooter. So if you're into that, this is definitely up your alley. As far as you know, acceleration and braking, like I said, this thing accelerates beautifully. You know, off the line, it probably takes just a couple seconds to get to 30 miles per hour. You know, so off the line, you're great. As far as braking, it's got front tire ABS on that big 16-inch front tire. You know, when it comes to kind of sketchy weather, say you get caught in the rain, you need to do some aggressive braking, or someone cuts you off, it does have that anti-lock braking up front on the front tire only. Alright, now it's got 2 brakes on this thing. You got the right lever on the right handlebar here, that's controlling the front ABS tire, and then we got the left one that's controlling the rear brake. You know, most of the time you want to be braking with the front tire. If we need extra stopping power, if you will, we're going to use both brakes. Alright, it's got great under storage seat space too. You can't fit a full face helmet, but what you can do is you can fit a nice half lid, and also plenty of storage for like waters and extra things you need, snacks. And also just keep like a baseball cap there, so I don't, when I'm parked, I don't walk around with helmet head, you know, helmet hair. What is this guy doing here? Thank you, jeez, everyone's driving real slow here. But yeah, this thing overall is great. Yeah, as far as seating positioning, I'm 5'10", so I'll show you what I look like here. Oh, look at this pelican. I'll show you what the seating position looks like. It's very neutral, very comfortable. You can ride for hours and hours. I use this thing for DoorDash, so I'm on it, at least 8 hours a day, and it's very comfortable. The seat's very comfortable. The positioning is very natural. It's like you're sitting in a chair. All right. As far as the exhaust, I think this thing sounds amazing. It's got a nice deep kind of throaty sound to it. It honestly sounds better than my stock Kawasaki Ninja 650 exhaust. This thing's got a nice little rumble to it. I'll show you here. This road's real bumpy, my goodness. Yeah, as far as like mirror position, the mirrors are excellent. You can adjust them, that you can see just what you need to see, as far as plenty of rear view and no blind spots. Overall though, this thing is a gem. I can't really find too many faults with it. You know, it's not a motorcycle, we're not going highway blasting or canyon carving, but for what it is, honestly, I don't think you can find anything better for your money. Can you find the signal? These Florida drivers, they rarely signal, and when they do, it's to go in the wrong direction, as you can see. But yeah, I was able to get this one used slightly with a few hundred miles on it for around $2,700. I know MSRP is around $3,000, I believe, and then you gotta pay dealer fees and whatnot. So it's good to check around on the secondary market first. They have Cycle Trader, Craigslist even, and if you need to get it at a dealership, get it at a dealership. But really, I can't find too many faults with this. Looks, acceleration, handling, stability at low speeds, at high speeds, cornering, miles per gallon. Overall, just a solid Italian stallion. Well, guys, if you found this helpful at all, please give me a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Boing! And I'll catch you later. Bye.